Every Lego brick begins its life with molten engineering-grade plastic, shaped to microscopic precision.
Every Lego brick begins with precision-engineered ABS plastic. Perfect color begins long before molding, where every pellet is blended with microscopic precision.
Even microscopic moisture can affect precision, making careful drying essential before molding begins.
Inside the molding machine, solid engineering plastic begins transforming into molten precision. Every molecule is carefully controlled before entering the mold that defines Lego's legendary precision. Within seconds, molten plastic becomes one of the most precisely manufactured toys in the world. Freshly molded Lego bricks begin cooling moments after leaving the mold. Every Lego brick is inspected to microscopic tolerances before moving forward.
Automation instantly separates every approved brick with remarkable precision. Controlled cooling ensures every Lego brick retains its legendary precision.
Millions of Lego bricks are stored and tracked entirely through intelligent automation.
Automation gathers every Lego piece needed for each individual set.
Every Lego set receives perfectly printed instructions before final packaging begins.
Every component is counted, verified, and sealed with absolute precision. Flat packaging transforms into iconic Lego boxes in just seconds.
Every package is securely sealed and fully traceable before leaving the production line. Every Lego set is verified before it reaches builders around the world.
Robotic palletizing prepares thousands of Lego sets for safe global distribution.
Every shipment is secured, labeled, and digitally tracked before leaving the factory. Autonomous systems keep Lego shipments moving around the clock. With every pallet loaded, the journey beyond the factory begins. From here, millions of Lego bricks begin their journey to builders around the world. Every production batch undergoes rigorous testing before reaching the world. The famous Lego connection is tested to ensure perfect compatibility every single time. Only after passing every quality standard is each Lego set approved for the world.